I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select action. Zendesk. Give here an API key, so please visit the Zendesk API token. Add access token. Give here a meaningful name. Save. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Zendesk site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully on the Zendesk site. Thanks for watching.